Today I have a tutorial to show how to get your websites updated to Google Analytics 4 and up and running quickly. So what I do is I go to my Google analytics.google.com. I'm just going to go to my property. Google Analytics will automatically start to migrate your account from the Google Universal Platform to the GA4 platform. And they have some basic settings configured, but you'll need to update those settings, make whatever changes you need to make, and put the code, actually the Google Analytics 4 updated code, into your website. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So what I do is I just go to my data streams and I click on the stream and I check the stream details that they have set up for me, which is correct. It's HTTPS, that's the correct domain, and the stream name is fine. Next I go to the measurements that they have set up, and there's a bunch more measurements that you can configure. You can get really detailed with some of these metrics, but the one that they set up for you is the default page views. But if you want to measure any of these other user actions, you'll need to turn these on. Scrolls, you can measure whether the user will go all the way to the bottom of the page, so it suggests that that person has digested the content on that particular page, so you might want to turn that on. Whether the user abandons the site or a link draws them away, I'm going to measure that. Form interactions, if you have a form set up on your website. Video engagement, if you have videos set up. File downloads, if there's anything to download on your site, I'm just going to turn all that on. The only thing I'm not going to turn on is the site search, because I don't have that feature. So I'm going to save this, enhance measurement. Then I manage connected site tags. If you have other property tags that you want to feed the data into this property, go ahead and add those here. And then configure tag settings is what you need to do to get the code installed on your website. So I just select installation instructions. And if you have a popular CMS platform for your website, you just go to this tab here, install with a website builder or CMS, and you can click one of these popular platforms and it'll give you instructions on how to get it configured. This is probably one of the more popular. WordPress, code tag. It's real easy, but for my purposes, I have it set up also in a CMS platform that's not one of the pre-installed configured. So what I need to do is I need to copy this code here. And if it's set up in HTML, you'll need to add this code to the header tag, HTML header tag, on every page of your website. I also have a CMS platform, so that I just need to add this code into my platform. It's just not one of the pre-configured ones. It's a CMS platform called Pimcore. So I'll just need to add that manually. Then when I'm done with that, and this code won't start tracking until you actually add that code, so it won't start to gather data. So that's why that's really important that you get your websites updated before July 1st, which is the deadline when they're just going to phase out the universal Google Analytics platform and migrate completely to Google Analytics 4. So you might want to take a closer look at some of the features and metrics that they will gather for your property, and at least get that code in, because once you get that code in, it can start tracking and you can make adjustments from there. So I hope that was helpful, how to get your website upgraded to the Google Analytics 4 platform and up and running quickly. Please like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.